OssoBucco with Drowning Penne. Use whichever starch or carb you prefer. I like to have something that's fork sized rather than too mashy, though mashed potato or creamed polenta is very common with OssoBucco. For braising, we use our normal trifecta of onion, carrot and celery. Most of the time you'll put garlic as well. Roughly cut the vegetables. Reserve the vegetable scraps to make stock. Notice how I square off the carrot so I have a stable surface to chop on. Fingers and blood aren't a good addition to braisers. Dust the shin, so OssoBucco is beef shin, with seasoned flour. Seal it off. Put it in a baking tray. Using the same fry pan that you sealed OssoBucco, lightly saute your vegetables. Deglaze the pan with a bit of your stock and add the rest of the stock to the braising tray. Cover with paper. The paper stops the tinfoil sticking. Put tinfoil on top, bake it for 2 hours at 165. Allow it to cool when you remove it from the oven. Then take the shin out of the braising liquid and pull off any vegetables that have stuck to it. Be careful, you don't want to lose the marrow, so treat it carefully. Pour the braising liquid and vegetables into a pot or jug, refrigerate it overnight and scoop some of the fat off. Puree that braising liquid. Chop up a few more vegetables, but kind of finely this time. Just some celery and onion in this case. Sort out the onion and celery. Add some Napolitana sauce and some of the braising liquid that are pureed. Stir that well. Put the OssoBucco inside. Throw a lid on there and simmer it for about 12 minutes. Just heat the OssoBucco through and I turn it over once. I have blanched penne. Put that in a pan with stock, some of that lovely sauce from the OssoBucco and a wee bit more Napolitana sauce. Bring that to the boil and reduce it down. I'm not looking for a coating consistency. I want it a little bit runnier than that. Put that in a deep bowl or plate and then spoon the OssoBucco on top. Approximately 2 generous pieces per portion. This is a massive main course and I'll just simply garnish it with a little bit of chopped parsley. This is a dish that you can adapt and there's so many different ways to serve this. You're only limited by your imagination. Anyway, enjoy.